Hello. Good day, everyone. How you all are? Hope you all are fine. So, let's start today's journey. Today, we're gonna learn something from fraction. I hope you all are familiar with fraction, a new term from fraction. That is understanding percentage. Have you heard about percentage? Before going to percentage, let me ask you, what is a fraction? Here, what is a fraction? Fraction is simply essential for understanding percentage. It expresses the parts of a whole, which is foundation for percentage. What is fraction? It is simply a part of a whole. And now coming to our topic, that is percentage. What is percentage? Percentage is here in percentage, the whole is 100 and any part out of 100 is simply percentage. Any part out of 100. That is, a percentage represent a fraction out of 100. It's a way to express the ratio in a standard format, making the comparison easier. Okay. So, for in case of taking marks, test and all, if we take test on 20, 50 or anything, if we have to analyze what's our progress, we all will convert it into percentage. It is a general form. Okay. So this is all about percentage. Have you heard about percentage earlier? Yes, we have talked about our marks. I got 90 percentage, I got 80 percentage. Is it? So it's simply out of 100. A fraction out of 100. Fine. So now if we have given a fraction, how we can find it into percentage? If we have said that I have done an exam and I got 50 out of 60. And how I can say how much I got in percentage? For that, we have to convert fraction into percentage. How we will convert fraction into percentage? We just have to multiply it into 100. That is, if I got 50 out of 60, then what will be the percentage? 50 divided by 60 into 100. Okay. Simply 50 divided by 60, the whole into 100. That is percentage. Fine. So we have to convert now into fraction. Fraction to percentage. See here, to convert a fraction, what we have to do? We have to just multiply it by 100. If I got 25 out of 60, then what will be the percentage? We just have to multiply it by 100. Here we have an example also. For instance, 1 by 2 is a fraction. Converts to 50%. Why? Because 1 by 2 into 100. It is 50. So it is how we convert fraction into percentage. Next is if we have given the marks into percentage. Like I got 60 percentage. So how we can understand that how much I got total? If I got write an exam out of 500, I had wrote the exam out of 500 and the result come out as I got 60 percentage. Then how I will find how much I get in out of 500? For that, what we have to do is we have to write 60 percentage, 60 by 100. Then we have to multiply it with 500. Okay. When we multiply here with 500, what will be the answer? 5 into 6 equal to 300. So we will get 300 out of simple. To convert a percentage, we will divide it by 100 and multiply it by the whole. Fine. So for here, example is given 75%. Here example is given 75% converts to 3 by 4 by calculating 75 by 100. Okay. Simply we will divide or we will change to the whole. Fine. Okay. So here are some questions. Let's go through these questions. First one is convert 3 by 5 to percentage. So what we have to do? Here 3 by 5. To convert into percentage, we have to multiply it with 100. So what will be the answer? 5. When does 500 comes in 5's table? That is on 20. Is it? So 20 into 3 is 60. The answer is 60. So 60%. Next question. Try it by yourself. 85%. I'll give you some time. You can pause the video and you can convert. 85%. What is 85%? 85 by 100. Okay. 85 by 100. Now we have to simplify it. That's it. And next, 40% of 200. What is this? 40% of 200 is simply out of 200, how much you have got? Earlier we have said out of 500, 60%. The same way, 40% of 200 simply means that out of 100 we got 40. Then what will be the value out of 200? Okay. So we will cut the zeros. 4 into 20 is equal to 80. Out of 200, we will get 80. This is all about percentage. Simple and introduction of percentage. Are you all clear with it? So we will see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.